Ever scratched your screen and wondered if there's a DIY solution to fix it? It's a common situation that many of us can relate to. The internet is brimming with DIY solutions for scratched screens, ranging from the plausible to the downright bizarre. But the question remains, do any of these methods actually work, and could some potentially cause further damage to your screen? In the quest for clarity, we're going to examine some of these popular DIY methods to determine what truly works and what doesn't. Let's delve into some popular DIY methods and see what really works and what doesn't. First on our list is the magic eraser. Does it live up to its name? Indeed it does, especially when it comes to cleaning up small scratches on your screen. It's not just a cleaning tool, it's a cost-effective method to make your screen look as good as new. Now let's talk about how it works. The magic eraser works by gently buffing away at the surface of your screen, effectively smoothing out those annoying scratches. A few seconds of rubbing and voila, your screen is back to its former glory. But here's a little caveat, you need to be gentle. Over-scrubbing can do more harm than good, so remember to apply just the right amount of pressure. Think of it as a massage for your screen, not a vigorous workout. And the best part? DIY magic erasers can be made for pennies. So not only are you saving your screen, but you're also saving some cash. Erasers can indeed be magical, but remember, don't rub too hard. Moving on to some household staples, toothpaste, baking soda, and even coconut oil. Let's start with toothpaste. It's been said that normal toothpaste, not the gel type, can work wonders for fixing scratched screens. However, in our tests, it only made the screen shinier and seemed to add small abrasion marks. Interestingly, toothpaste worked great on a plastic screen protector, so it's a no for screens, but a yes for plastic protectors. Next is baking soda. A common suggestion is a paste made from 2 parts baking soda to 1 part water. Sadly, this method fell short. It only added shine to the screen, and the moisture in the paste could potentially damage your device. Finally, we come to coconut oil. The internet would have you believe that coconut oil is the solution to all problems, but it was a letdown for phone scratches. Similar to petroleum jelly, it just made the phone super slippery, which isn't ideal for keeping a firm grip on your device. In conclusion, while these household items may be good for many things, they're not always the best choice for screen repair. Toothpaste might be helpful for plastic screen protectors, but baking soda and coconut oil are more likely to cause harm than good due to moisture and slipperiness, respectively. Household items can be handy, but not all of them are screen-friendly. Now let's talk about some methods you should definitely steer clear of. While it's tempting to reach for quick fixes, there are certain DIY methods that can actually exacerbate the problem. Petroleum jelly, for instance, might seem like a good idea, but in reality, it only leaves your screen oily and sticky. And here's a strange one you might have heard of: using banana peels. While bananas are great for your health, for your screens, not so much. Rubbing a banana peel on your screen doesn't help with the scratches. Instead, it leaves a crusty mess that's difficult to remove. Then there's the use of powdered cleansers like Barkeeper's Friend, Comet, or Ajax. You might think these abrasive agents could buff out scratches, but they often do more harm than good, potentially leaving new, small scratches on your screen. When it comes to your screens, it's best to avoid these methods.